Hello guys, welcome to this amazing channel again. My name is Solomon and today we are going to be doing another amazing conversation. Let me know in the comment section below before we even start talking about growth on YouTube. Let me know which aspect of YouTube is more difficult for you to conquer. Which area they more harder, more difficult, more stubborn for you to conquer. If your channel is below 1,000, if I'm still your senior brother, let me know in the comment section below and I will connect with you. It's a guarantee. You know what I'm saying? It's a +1 and +2, +3, +4, depending on how many people vibe in the comment section. So if you go to comment section now and vibe, if you are the first to vibe, you will be the first to get my reaction. What are we going to be doing on this channel today? I'm going to be opening your eyes to this possibility that there is no amount of growth on YouTube that is impossible. The only thing you need to do or you need to know is to know how to do things properly. You know what I'm saying? And how to do those things properly is first starting to learn them. You even being willing to learn them properly from the proper guy like myself. I am the proper guy to teach you these things. Forget the numbers you're seeing, forget the numbers of those subscriptions. Of course, those subscriptions came in how many days? 3 weeks, right? 3 weeks we got those subscribers. We got in the we got those subscribers you can see right now. So those guys came in 3 weeks. So we discovered the secrets of YouTube only in 3 weeks after 4 years of doing wrong everything on YouTube. We were able to discover these secrets in just 3 weeks and our channel just went out of our control. Out of our control in the sense that we started getting subscribers on YouTube. So that's why I'm here to let you know today that there is no amount of growth on YouTube that is impossible. It is possible to grow on YouTube. The only thing is, as I said, are you doing the correct thing? Are you posting the correct videos? Are you posting the correct time? YouTube, if you post video consistently on YouTube, there is a place in the YouTube analytics that will tell you when to post video and how to target your videos. Who are your target audience, when they are likely going to be online and when they are not going to be online. YouTube will give you that. The only thing you need to do is post consistently in order to have that data available on your YouTube analytics. Growth on YouTube is not impossible. Whatever you want to do is not impossible. Not only on YouTube, anywhere in life, whatever you want to do in life, growth is not impossible. You can grow. Football teams can grow. Businesses can grow. Ministries can grow. Personal can grow. Personal development. And YouTube, your YouTube can grow. Your own is be consistent. Do what you are supposed to do and let the remaining thing be on YouTube algorithm. YouTube algorithm is fair, in my opinion, is fair. And then sometimes it can be very, very tricky to understand how it works. And that is why sometimes you post video and you will see 2 views. Like myself, I've posted video in the past and I kept seeing 2 views for years. And there was a time I posted a video, I think 4 to 5 years ago. I got my first 1,000 views. I did not even know that video went that viral, because for me, the guy that used to see 2 views on his channel is now seeing 1,000 views. Is virality to me. You know what I'm saying? To me, I judge that to be like I've gone viral, and I stopped posting videos for 5 years. I stopped posting videos. Then before I started posting one videos again, one video again, and I started getting 2 views, 200 views, 100 views, 10 views, all of those things. And I kept doing all this wrong thing over and over again, expecting miracle to happen. The miracle refused to happen, my brother. So why am I saying this thing? If you are going to grow on YouTube, you need to do the right thing. And how to do the right thing first is to learn from the right guys. Watch the people that are posting content that are related to your own content, the content you want to start making on YouTube. Follow those that are already leading the way. Those that are already leading the way are those that will take you to your permanent destination on YouTube. That permanent destination is not even permanent. That permanent destination still have another way, another layer to be added on it. Like if you want to post podcasts, you need to watch the best. Maybe you go and watch CEO Diary, how he asks his question. You want to go and watch Patrick David, spontaneous guy. You want to go and watch that spontaneous guys. And if you want to do a sports video, you will go and watch ESPNS or Sports, Sky Sports or Fabrizio Romano's. Of course, you don't have that capacity, but you learn from those that have higher capacity, even from those that have lower capacity. Like myself, you can learn from me because my own experience on YouTube now can still teach you to do something better for yourself on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? If you are on YouTube, you know you will always have these views or these videos that said post consistently, and your own understanding about consistency might be that you have to post every day. No. That is not the definition of consistency. That is not what consistency means on YouTube. Consistency on YouTube means if you are going to be posting one video in a month and you choose to post on Monday or on Friday or on Thursday or on Sunday, whatever, any day you choose to post your video, that one video you want to post in a day, make sure you are posting that one video in a day. If you are posting 2 videos in a week, make sure you are posting that 2 videos in a week. And you are posting 1 video in a week, make sure that 1 video in a week is guaranteed. Post that 1 video in a week so that even if it's 2 people that are subscribed to your channel, they are sure that they are going to be getting 2 videos from you in a week, 1 video from you in a week, 1 video from you in a month, 1 video from you in 2 months, depending on how you want to structure your posts. That is the definition of consistency on YouTube, on social media, or in content creation generally. Do not give yourself this unrealistic target of posting 100 videos in 100 days. Sometimes you might not be able to continually do what you promise yourself. That's why I post the video on creative burnout, right? You can check that video in the description. I'll leave the link to that video in the description for you to watch. If you say you want to post 10 videos in a day, in a day only you one man waka come say na 10 videos now you want to post every day in 10 days you want to post 100 videos. Congratulations, maybe you have the capacity to do that thing. I've seen people that tried that, and what will happen at the end is they'll post videos that are not relevant to their community, because that it's certain that will happen. If you decide to post 100 videos in a day, 100 videos, so I'm exaggerating now, if you decide to post 2 videos in a day, let's say 2 videos, and your capacity is 1 video in a week, my brother, there is this thing called creative burnout. It's going to hit you bing 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 like this, bing 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 bang 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 like this, and it will pull you out of that unrealistic expectation you've placed on yourself. It will pull you out like this, and that is why you will no longer be consistent. You see where problem will come if you give yourself unrealistic expectation to post 10 videos in a week. It's unrealistic. If you are starting out, it's most times unrealistic. Like now, if you've been on my YouTube, you see the quality of our video is improving each videos, right? Why that is happening is because we are consistently making videos and consistently analyzing our strength, consistently analyzing our weakness. Me myself now analyzing my weaknesses because I don't have one. Analyzing my weaknesses, trying to learn how to adjust to make sure that my strength is higher than my weaknesses, so that whatever I'm doing will be growing. YouTube is a place you learn. As you are teaching, you are giving people value. You will be learning from it. Don't shy away from reaching out to people that are already doing better on YouTube. Let them tell you how they are doing their own things. Let them show you the way. That's what I'm telling you. YouTube is not a place you will just come and you expect miracle to happen overnight. You have to keep working, and you have to follow the leads of those that are leading the way. If you are my junior brother on YouTube, you are below 5,000. It means you are still my junior brother. You can follow my steps, how I'm getting my own things done, and you will do it. Don't mind the views you get from those that tell you the truth. Don't mind the views on their video. Those that tell you the truth sometimes may not even have the views that those that lie to you to post 100 videos in 100 days. Give yourself that challenge. Post. No. That is not how it works. Those people may not be telling you the truth. I'm not saying it's not true that you can post 100 videos in 100 days. But what is the quality of those videos? YouTube is a business. It's someone's business, and you that is doing YouTube videos, YouTube content, you are also doing business on YouTube. And you imagine you going to market, you by yourself now go to market to buy something from the market. Would you buy something that is of no use to you? You will not buy what you don't need. That is how people that come to YouTube to watch videos behave. They will not click videos that will not provide value to them. And even if they click because of your title and your thumbnail, by the time they watch 1 minute, 2 minutes, if they even watch 1 minute, by the time they watch 2 seconds of your videos and they notice that this video is actually going to the direction I want it to take me to, brother, they'll click away. And that is why your analytics like this will start declining. Instead of going like this, it will start coming down like this. You will want to create content that people will want to watch. And that is why you must do your research first. What is my followers, my subscribers, what are they looking for? That your first priority. And after them, those things that people are looking for on YouTube is assets, is your money, is your product. Jump on it. Make that video. If only it's within your niche. But if it's not within your niche, please do not make that video. make only video that is within your niche, except you want to transit like myself, except you want to transit into giving educational videos, giving entertainment videos, anything you want to transit to, except you want to move from your initial niche. But any niche you jump on, make sure you create at least 10 to 20 videos in that particular niche consistently, and consistently keep posting what you are talking about on that particular topic until you get discovered. You are always one video away from being known. You are always one video away from blowing out. Our channel started getting subscribers just one afternoon that I posted a sports highlight on my channel. That was when we started getting 5,000, 10,000, thousands of views. And that was how we were able to get 1 million views on our channel. We are over 1 million views already. That's how we were able to get our first 1 million views on our channel. So if you want to get your own also to that place, to that point, the only tricks, the only secret is to stay consistent and keep doing what you're doing. Keep learning, keep improving your quality, keep learning how to communicate, right? Storytelling is key. Keep learning how to tell story, how to tell people how to do things properly. Before you know what is happening, my brother, you are going to be seen. You are going to be discovered. And that is how you grow on YouTube. Again, in the next video, if you find this one very informative and value out of this video, thank you for watching this video to this point. Please click the link in the description and click the thumbnail on this video to watch more. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.